today's lab is all about transmission line. Alright? So we're gonna connect the, we're gonna simulate, no? We're gonna simulate the transmission line by sending a voltage from a sender, okay, to the receiver. Alright? So now, in this experiment, of course, no, you need a power supply, okay? But this time we will use 4, 5, 6, and 7 in N, okay? The variable, alright? And then you need an AC voltmeter, okay? And an AC ammeter, alright? And next, also you will need a regulating auto transformer, okay? So this is our regulating auto transformer. And also a 3-phase transmission line, okay? That is 83290A, 3-phase transmission line, alright? And also, you'll be needing a three-phase wattmeter slash var meter. Okay? Wattmeter slash var meter. Okay? And you need 2 of them. That's why I put 2 pieces of this module. Alright? And then lastly, you also need a resistive load. No? In order for you to send the voltage, no, from a sender position to the receiver with a certain load. Okay? This time we will use a resistive load. Alright? As per the circuit diagram. Okay. So let us try to connect the circuit. Alright. So first, you need to connect, okay? You need to connect the 4, okay, to the current, no? Current. So here, no? Current. Right? And then, series, no? The current meter, no? The ammeter. So connect 4 to the AC ammeter, plus minus. Okay, you can choose any one of them. And use the 1.5, no? 1.5, no? Range. Going to the regulating auto transformer to number 1 of the regulating auto transformer. Alright? And 5, okay, connect number 5, okay, sorry, so connect number 5, okay, connect number 5 directly to number 2 of the regulating auto transformer, and as well as number 3, connect it to the regulating auto transformer number 3, no? The 6, no? 6 to number 3 of the regulating auto transformer. Okay, once you've done, from the output of the regulating auto transformer, connect it to the 3-phase wattmeter var meter. Alright? So our first 3-phase wattmeter var meter. So number 4, connect to number 1 here. The 3-phase wattmeter var meter. Number 5, connect it also here. Alright. Number 6, connect it also here. Alright. Once you're done, then the output, no, from the other side of your three-phase wattmeter var meter, you need to connect it to the 3-phase transmission line. Okay? 3-phase transmission line module. So from here, from 4, connect it to the number 1 of the 3-phase transmission line, and number 5 of the wattmeter var meter, connect it to number 2 of the 3-phase transmission line, and last, the number 6, you connect it to the number 3 of the 3-phase transmission line. Alright, so once you're done, now the output, no, here, no, the output of the 3-phase transmission line, you need to connect this to the second module of the wattmeter and var meter. Alright, so from here, I'm gonna use the yellow. Oh, it's not going. Use red. Going to number 1 here. Okay, number 5. Number 2 here. Okay, maybe number 6. Maybe we can use the yellow, no? So connect it here to number 3. All right. Now the output of the second wattmeter and voltmeter, no, the output, no, here, no, the 456, no, connect this to the resistive load. All right. Okay. So 4. Okay. Connect it into here. All right. And 5. Okay. Connect it to here. And 6, connect it to here. All right. Then, of course, no, these 3 points of the resistive load, you need to connect it all together, no, as common. Connect it together. Okay. And then connect a neutral. Okay. Here. All right. Sorry for that. Okay. And next, the last is you need to read the voltage, no? Voltage between the 2 resistor, no? Here, no? 2 resistor. So you need to connect this. Okay, maybe I can use small wire. So from here, you can connect here to COM, here as well, no? Okay, make it here, 500 volts. All right. And lastly, no, don't forget to connect this power, no? So from here, no, you need to connect this to the here, no, of the wattmeter. And from here, the second point of the wattmeter power supply, connect it directly here. All right. So as you can see, no, it's lighting up, no, it's color green. So meaning they are all color green, no. This one green, meaning they are active. Okay. So this time you can now do your experiment. All right. So what you need to do is, okay. All right. So choose the load 1,200, no. So 1,200, 1,200, 1,200. All right. Okay. Now, as you can see, no, in the transmission line there is 0, no, in this selector, no. You have 0, 200, 400, 600. Okay, it represents the kilometer, okay, the distance. Okay, if it is 0, of course, it is 0 kilometer. All right. If it is 200, it means 100 kilometer. No, the distance between the transmission, okay, the distance between the transmitter and the receiver is 100 kilometer. No, if we select 200, if we select 400, that is 200 kilometer. No, okay. And 600, that is how much? 300 kilometer. Okay, this is 300 kilometer for 600 ohms. Means that is 300 kilometer. All right. So set the phase selector on the three-phase regulating auto transformer to plus 15. No, so the phase shift, put this one to plus 15. Okay, and the buck boost to 0. Okay, make it sure it is in 0. Buck boost. Okay, so turn on the power supply and set line voltage. No, set the line voltage. Okay. Oh, I forgot. No, I forgot. Okay, you need to connect the 4, no, and 5 to a voltmeter, no, so that we can monitor, no. We can monitor now the input voltage. Okay, this time we need 220 volts. All right, so let's switch on. Okay, and switch on also this here, and let's start with 0. Okay, make sure this is in 0 position and increase this, make 220 volts. Okay. Okay. All All right, I think this is 220. Okay, approximately, no, 220. All right. Okay, as you can see, no, as you can see, at zero distance, you have a certain power, no? This is the power from the transmitter. Okay, and this is the power of the sender. Right? So going to show it to you. Okay, so this is the 220 input voltage. Okay, and the other one is the voltage output, no, to the resistor between two resistors. Okay, okay, and the current. All right. Okay, the current is approximately 0, no, maybe 0.01. Okay, so let us try to make it. Okay, put it in 0.25, no. No, I transfer it, no, from 1.5 I put it to 0.25, like that. Okay, let's try. Switch on. Okay. All right, so you have now the current. Okay, that is your current reading, no? So don't use 1.5. Use the 0.25. Okay? And next, this is your sender power, or transmitter power, or sender power. And this is your receiver power. Okay? So put all of this measurement, okay, put all of this measurement to the table, no, provided. Okay, in your you can see it in your lab manual. Okay. Okay. All right. So students, put this one to the 0, right? Put this one to the 0. Okay. Once you put it to the 0, no, rotate this selector, put it in the 0 position, then record the current. No, that is your current, and this is your sender voltage. Okay, and this is your receiver voltage. Okay, and this is your sender power. Okay, and this is your receiver power. All right. Once you're done, put this one to 200 ohms. Okay. No, 200 ohms, right? That one, 200 ohms. And this is your current. Okay. And this is your sender voltage. This is your receiver voltage. And this is your sender power. Okay. And this is your receiver power. Okay. Once you're done, you rotate that one, make it 400 ohms. Okay. And this is your current. Okay. And this is your sender voltage. And this is your receiver voltage. Okay. And this is the sender power. And this is your receiver power. Okay. Once you're done, and put this one to 600 ohms. Okay. And this is your current. This is your sender voltage. Okay. This is sender voltage. And this is your receiver voltage. Okay. And this is the sender power. And this is the receiver power. Okay. So record all. Okay. So record all the measurements that we have done. Okay, and that I showed to you, and put it in the table that is being provided to your laboratory. And that's it. So make some analysis, make a conclusion. Okay. Right. So if you're absent during this lab, then watch this video so that you can learn how to connect and how to do the lab. Okay. And some questions will be asked to you by your instructors, okay, during the lab, okay, and please be prepared. Okay, thank you, and good luck to your experiment.